Hello everyone and welcome back to In the Pan with Joe and Diane. What's happening today?
Brunch.
So in today's video, we're going to take it in turns. Diane's gone out to the shops and bought enough food. Is it a weekly shop or is it for brunch?
It's for brunch, I'm hungry.
Okay, right. Well,
never go shopping when you're hungry.
Yeah, bad idea. Diane's got a lot of food here. I don't know what's in this bag either. We're going to try and cook a brunch for each other. Hopefully it's something you'll enjoy. I've just had a thought last minute. I went on Pinterest and searched for good brunch ideas. So hopefully there's enough stuff in here that I can make.
And mine is thought through my head. I did mine myself. I didn't even have to look at it.
Well done.
At a recipe. This is all Diane's recipe.
I would say extra point for Diane for that, but no, that's ridiculous.
Could be anything.
Absolutely ridiculous. Right, what have we got?
Okay, so we got sourdough bread, packet of eggs.
A box of eggs, not a packet of eggs, a box of eggs.
Another box of eggs.
Another box of eggs, cool.
I don't know if we'll have much room for these, but we got mushrooms.
Dead joke.
Baby tomatoes.
What are you making?
Some beetroot and orange juice, but that's just for me to drink
That's cheating. Yes, you can't have that.
That's just for me to drink now because I was thirsty. I wanted that.
Did you get me a drink to drink now?
Nope.
Cool.
We've got mature cheddar.
Okay.
Yeah, that can look after the baby tomatoes because it's very mature. White flour.
Okay.
You know what I bought that we really needed in other cooking videos?
Oil.
Yes!
We've got oil.
We finally have oil.
Got extra virgin as well.
I got some bacon. I got lemon juice. And then some blueberries.
Chewing gum.
Bubble gum if you want some.
Chewing gum afterwards, just in case our food tastes horrible.
Exactly. And the last item, I got some milk.
Ah, amazing. Perfect. And it's still cold. Well done, good job.
Thank you.
Right.
There's quite a selection there.
Yeah, there is.
Oh gosh, I've done it again.
Oh my
Oh
God.
no.
One, it doesn't taste very nice. Two, how have you managed to do that? And it literally, you had a bit of tissue there to stop it from rolling down. That's electric in there.
Oh.
What is wrong with you?
Oh my gosh. I am, honestly.
You're on your final warning.
I am on my final
You're
warning.
on a final warning. One more of that, one more strike.
Oh, that's my karma for not buying you a drink.
I'm docking you 2 points. Okay, we've got our items. Let's get cooking. I've got to confess, I need to do a quick little Google before I... Why are you taking all the ingredients?
Because I bought it.
Okay, we'll put half... Okay, I think I know what I want to cook anyway. I know what I'm going to do.
Do you?
Yes.
So do I. Mine's actually... I'm really excited for mine.
But... Oh, also, I'm adding one ingredient to mine.
What?
I need to use stuff from the cupboard.
Okay, well, if you add one ingredient to yours, I remembered that I had an avocado in the fridge.
Okay, that's fine.
From a while ago.
I'm taking this maple syrup. I need to Google something before I start.
I don't.
I don't know.
That means that you should get points deducted.
No. By the way, I know I said I'm hungry, but I'm not hungry for a whole loaf of bread. What are you making? Right, I need to Google mine. I'm a little bit behind on time because I've forgotten how to make. 135 grams of plain flour. But I'm gonna, is this plain flour, Diane?
Yeah, but use self-raising.
So 135 grams of self-raising flour?
Yeah.
Instead?
Yeah.
Okay. I used to love picking out the middle bread like that.
I know, when
I used to
your
always pick out and I give the crust to my sister or my mum.
Oh, do you not like the crust?
No, not normally.
Shame.
Get that in there, straight in the pan. Bosh. Wow, get your drizzle on.
I know, look at that. I feel so Italian right now. Right, how do you turn the oven on?
But don't forget, she's half Italian.
I am.
What are you cooking? What do you need to cook? What sort of thing are you doing with that?
I'm making.
Oh my God, you look like a terrifying children's TV character.
We need to put that in the oven ASAP.
Game on. Are you putting it on, you're baking it, baking the bread?
I'm baking the bread.
Oh my God, get a life.
Just crisping up the edges.
Right, 2 tablespoons of caster sugar. Did you get caster sugar?
There should be some in the cupboard.
Yeah, but that's not caster sugar, Diane.
It doesn't matter.
It does.
It doesn't.
We've only got brown sugar. This isn't
that's
gonna work.
fine. Brown sugar's much better for you.
Okay, well.
I didn't try and sabotage you, I promise.
What did you say?
It's actually not allowed anyway. It's cheating, #1.
No, it's not. This is not the episode where we have to try and do it under £5. Now we get the milk. Thing is, mine would take very quick to cook.
Yours will take very quick to cook.
You're taking a good pan as well, that's annoying. If you're watching this, like a lot of people are right now thinking, oh bless, they've got such crap equipment. Yeah, we have, but you know, there's always room for sponsorship. 130 ml of milk.
You like mushrooms, don't you, Joe?
Not today, I don't. I'm not in the mood for mushrooms.
Yes,
so
you do. You love mushrooms.
You could lose points on that.
So we want to cut that up nice and
130 ml of milk. That's what it's saying for the milk.
You're really struggling with that, aren't you? Over there?
Actually, it's looking good.
And guess what?
Watch this.
What?
Bosh!
Whoa.
I can do an egg one-handed.
Holy.
Yep, that make. Why is it doing that?
You're not allowed to have it on there. It smells so olivey.
I need a fork, please. You're in my forking way. Now you just whisk the absolute out of this egg. 2 tablespoons of melted butter or olive oil.
Oh, ready for this noise?
2 tablespoons of olive oil.
Are you ready for it?
Yep.
Oh no, that was
bit of an anticlimax.
That was an anticlimax. Oh, this looks good.
Right, mine looks good.
Oily and good.
Oh, look at that.
Does mine smell? Oh, you just got flour in my dish.
Yeah, that's all part of the risk, I'm afraid, when cooking delicious pancakes. You're actually looking at this thinking, oh my God, it's actually quite good, aren't you? Aren't you? Admit it?
No, you're looking at mine going, gosh, she's really far ahead of me.
I'm looking at that thinking, that looks quite greasy. I'm looking at yours thinking that's the sort of thing you get on the side of the road.
Do you know what? It's like, it's brunch and you've, like, imagine if you've just been out on a night out and all you want is like a greasy brunch.
When do I ever go on nights out anymore? Look, I'm in here freaking cooking on a Monday morning. I need to get the bacon on. But it's so annoyingly, someone didn't get the right bacon.
I'm just going to fry this bread a little bit.
Excuse me?
Oh, I should have got a bigger pan.
We need to stop doing videos where we have to share a kitchen. We haven't got enough room, have we?
Does it look good? Do you like bread? Because there's a lot of it.
Oh my God. Oh, sorry. I've caught a leg in the oven. See, that's what I mean. There's not enough room. Look.
Now, what we're going to do, put all that in the centre.
As soon as I start seeing your food, I start to feel so much more confident.
Yeah, but at least I'm creative.
Yeah. You got the creativeness there, but it's just, what is that?
Here we go. Now, wait for it. This is where it gets good.
Yeah, trust me, I don't mind waiting for it. I'll wait
take a bit.
I'll wait quite a long time for that, trust me.
I'm going to try your technique of cracking the egg with one hand.
Oh no, don't.
Ready? Oh. I did it!
Oh, so annoying.
Yeah!
I thought I was special.
Now, what we're going to do is we're going to pour that in there. Oh, and you can't forget cheese.
That does look quite good now. It says add a knob of butter into the pan.
Yeah.
But do I put a bit of oil in instead?
Now she's ready to flip.
Oh,
Sorry.
When next time we do this video, can you not wear shoes? Because you keep standing on my toes. Metaphorically and physically.
I'm just going to say, it smells divine.
Diane, seriously.
Now this is the big test, flipping it.
Is that right?
Yes, but I've got my own things to think about, Joe.
Okay, sorry.
I've got to flip.
Oh, it's going to go.
Yes!
No! Oh my word.
That looks good.
Thank you.
Mine.
Oh, I thought you were talking about mine.
Inside is still a bit runny though, people, so we have to keep on cooking that. Yeah, that's still very, very, very wet in there. That's okay, we'll keep that cooking for a while. I'm gonna cut up my avocado and use this for a side garnish.
With a bread knife?
I've used this knife for everything.
Yeah, it's a bread knife. See, we've got a lot to learn on this channel. There's a lot of stuff we need to still work out. There's been a lot of like legit cooking channels out there that are gonna watch us and think, oh my, like.
Or they're gonna think, what great idea.
Maybe, yeah, I hope so.
I reckon that this is gonna go into shops everywhere now. Once they've seen this, this will be a weekly thing on the menu for brunch.
Do you know what? It does look good.
It does, doesn't it?
It does. Like the smell of the cheese that's melted. Mm.
Yeah, and like this is what everyone's having at the moment. This is the in thing.
Really?
This bread.
You can use it as food or a weapon.
Yeah.
It's got multiple uses, that's why.
It's good, isn't it? And this is value for money because those big growing men, when they go have brunch, they want a big size meal. They don't want these little things that come out.
And there's little a la carte fancy things.
They want something that they go and I know men. I mean, I know myself. When I go for brunch, I want big. I don't want small. I'm hungry in the morning.
What do you mean you know men?
I know men.
Cool.
The one thing I'm not good at, and my mother will tell you.
There's only one thing you're not good at?
Is
really?
I'm good at cook.
I'm good at cook, just not good at talking properly.
I'm not good at cleaning up after myself. Oh, that smells burny.
No, it could be my bacon.
No, that definitely smells burny.
Oh.
Lucky. Yeah, we can just take off the burnt bits.
Okay, budge out the way, please. Got to check my bacon. So mine's still not really coming along, just quite good yet.
What are you doing? You should start to cook your pancakes.
No, because I need to. How long pancakes take to cook?
You've got to start cooking them now.
Really?
Yeah.
We need the bacon ready to go on the pancakes.
Yeah, that's fine.
I don't know if that's sabotage or not.
I feel like this could
But you're
do
sabotaging
with-
me.
I'm not. A bit more oil.
Right. So you take a ladle at a time.
Oh my God, what are you doing?
What do you mean?
Yeah, go on, put it on.
Yeah, but it's got to be a specific way. Look,
No,
ready?
just twist
No.
it up, just go on.
No, because look, I've got to go.
Why? Do you want it
long
to,
ways.
Why? Do you want it to look like a pancake? By the way, I don't like bacon. You knew that.
Oh yeah. Yeah, but the thing is, I also know that you never finish your food, so I know that I get to eat it after.
There we go. Now, what you want to add to this is a bit of lemon juice. That is the trick of the trade for smashed avocado. Can I eat my own and not yours? Because mine looks good.
Oh,
Oh my God.
Yep. Oh, okay. It's
whoa.
exploding. Bacon's exploding. Oh, Jesus. It's hot. Oh, my goodness.
What have you done?
I've cooked the bacon.
Yeah, I know that. I can
Well, it's meant to be streaky bacon, but someone sabotaged me. So now, it's the important bit. I get the bacon, and you lower the bacon.
What are you doing?
Look.
That's so
Like
weird.
that. You get the bacon like that, but then, importantly, you get more like this. You actually then drizzle a bit more on top of this, like so. So it looks a bit rank at the moment, but look, you get underneath it.
What the hell is that? I've so won this challenge today.
You think I've lost, but look, my piece de la resistance. Here we go, moment of truth. 3, 2, 1. Oh, yes! Is it a face?
Look at that. Just saying mine's done and ready to go
Yeah,
home.
okay, cool. Great for you. That's really good, but
Oh my God, I've actually won this one today.
no, well, don't speak too soon.
How are you going to garnish it?
It's a pancake with bacon inside.
Yeah, but you've still got to think of presentation. We get marked on
I
that
am.
too,
Look,
you know.
do you know those things you find on the beach? Those like those white things, shuttlecocks. No, what are they called? Cuttlefish. That's it. Cuttlefish.
It's a cuddle. Oh my God.
It's make your food look like seafood week. Things you find washed on the beach. You've gone for a plank of wood.
No,
I've gone for a
mine is a
cuttlefish.
face.
Is it bad to eat like old batter?
That looks very nice. Can't wait to eat that.
This can be restored. Bosh. Oh my God, who closed this? Bloody the hole.
I'm going to close my nose when I eat it too.
Jesus, where's the thingy?
Joe, did you get that joke?
Hang on, try and open this.
What?
Oh my God.
Let me
It's
do
like-
it. If I do it-
Oh, I didn't realise that it's super glue. All right. Derek, you'll strain yourself. You've got a tour to do.
Oh, I can't actually do that.
Ah, yeah. Well, I've been sabotaged again. You've... Yes!
Did you do it?
Yeah.
Damn it, not
Oh
enough
my
soup.
God. You're
Not
gonna have to
enough
like
super
wash
glue.
that after every use.
What's that stuff you just put on it?
Syrup.
Yeah, I don't like syrup.
with syrup?
Tastes like metal. And I'm sure people agree with me. Hands up if you do.
Ready? Piece de resistance. Do you like blueberries?
Yeah, I like blueberries.
Okay, phew, thank God for that. And I am done. Finished. Right, to the table. Here we go. We've got I like to call it the bacon pancake cuttlefish.
Mine is called Turn Your Frown Upside Down in the Morning. It is Diane's smiley face brunch with an omelette inside bread with a side of avocado and lemon juice. If you want, you can also use the sauce.
That's hair.
HP.
That's not going to fit in the title of the video. Okay, so we're going to do the old switcheroo.
It's not bad, actually.
Very good, Joseph. Look at that. The bacon inside.
I've never really understood the whole bacon and pancake thing.
Ah, you're about to have it be completely changed. Can I say, I could be gluten intolerant. I'm really taking one for the team by eating this mound of bread. Got some avo on there, a bit of the hair sauce.
I quite like it. It's actually really good.
Yes! Really?
It's actually really quite nice. I didn't even get a blueberry in that bit.
I'm waiting for the butt.
But but it's a little bit gluggy, the pastry. How's that? Is it good?
Cool.
Has it turned your
Hang on.
frown upside
I haven't
down?
quite finished my mouthful yet. It's a big old mouthful. Hang on, bear with me. You know what? I love the taste. It's no disrespect, but I do really like the taste of burnt cheese. This middle bit's really good. It's a bit like a Spanish omelette. Except with the potatoes, so it's not Spanish at all.
And what about the crust?
Yeah, the crust is a bit of a... if it was up to me, I would get rid of the crust.
Really?
I would see the crust more as like a bowl to contain it all in.
And what about the side of avocado? Do you like the side of avocado? Can you taste the lemon juice in it?
No, but I think it's actually really good. I'm very impressed.
Really? What would you give me a score out of 10?
I would give you...
How many pounds would you give me out of 10?
Do you know what? If you cook this for me for morning, for brunch, I would actually be very impressed. And I would 100% eat it all as well.
Really?
Except for the crust, this big old crust here. Oh, it's not a great noise, is it?
So what did you give me?
Having this big old crust, I would give it an 8.
Really?
A strong 8.
Wow.
Yeah, quite like it.
Well, I would give you, I'm gonna have to mark you down, well, we start with 10. I'm gonna have to take 2 points away for finding the recipe. I'm gonna have to take a point away for asking me about if you could substitute normal flour for self-raising. I'm also gonna have to give a point away for the glugginess of the dough, because that's still stuck actually on the roof of my mouth.
Show me then, show me, I don't believe you. Oh, it actually is.
It is. So therefore, I'm gonna give you a mark of 6 out of 10 pounds.
Okay.
Mine's delicious. I would have given mine 9.5.
Do you know what? I'm gonna agree. I actually agree. I think mine's a 6.
Really?
Although, saying that, I think these are better pancakes than what you've made me in the past. I wouldn't like that. I did not like that. To be honest though, if I was gonna pick one for brunch, I would go for that rather than this.
Would you?
Yeah, so I think it's a win to you.
Yeah.
I'm gonna say it, I'm gonna put it there. Win to Diane.
Yes.
Congrats. Well done. Oh, you just broken my oven, that's fine. Right, so there you go. That was our 2 brunch ideas. If you want to know how we made them, all the information will be down in the description below. I hope you enjoyed this episode, and we'll see you again very soon with another one. Make sure you leave comments, like the video if you enjoyed it, and subscribe. Why are you laughing? We will see you again very soon. Oh, that was gackiness. And we'll see you again very soon with another episode of Joe and Diane in the Pan. Goodbye.